Trees are blooming, rivers are running. Spring is finally here. On this hunt, we're going to be following along with my son Jackson on his journey this spring to get a wild turkey. Over the last 2 seasons, Jackson has become quite addicted to turkey hunting. In fact, it's his favorite thing to hunt. Jackson has spent countless hours this off-season shooting his gun and learning his calls. He's on a quest to be a self-sufficient turkey hunter at 12 years old.
Okay, what's our plan, Mariah? Do we have a plan?
Do we ever have a plan?
Do we have a plan? No, we have no plan.
We have no plan.
We have a plan. It's to kill the turkeys.
Rod and I opted to have Mariah and Jackson hunt together the opening weekend of youth in Texas. And although we had many encounters, we were unable to seal the deal. Two weeks later, Jackson and I headed north to Oklahoma for the youth turkey weekend as well. We put in over 10 miles that weekend and couldn't find a gobbling bird. Now that I have you all caught up, it's time to jump back into Texas. It's April 14th.
Alright, it's April 14th. We're sitting on the edge of a field where these birds have strut just about every evening. We've got a Jake decoy out over a breeder hen. We've seen a really aggressive tom in this area. Very aggressive. He hasn't been killed yet, but we've seen him. He fights and he's a go-getter. So we're set up. Me and Jackson are set up. So I've got my gun, just you never know, 2 might come in, but he hadn't got a bird yet, so he's up to bat. It's about 5:45. We've got a really good cover of natural grass and brush. And we're about 10 yards off the edge of this field. We got our bird about 15 yards in front of us, our decoys. So hopefully if they come out in this field, either direction they lock in on those decoys and give us a good show. So we're going to tuck in here for a little while. Hopefully do some good.
We were using the Jake decoy because we were hunting a super aggressive tom that frequented the area. I have a sneaking suspicion that these two subordinate birds thought our Jake decoy might have been him and split. The next morning was uneventful, with a few far-off gobbles and not much action to speak of. We just enjoyed the morning fog.
Alright, it's 1 o'clock. We have hunted hard all day. We took a break for lunch, and we're back up here in my area. And we're in a transition zone. They come through head down on my feeder in the evening, so call about once every 30 minutes or so, just some light yelps and some clucks and stuff, just a little happy hen talk, and hopefully we'll catch one slipping through here this evening. But wait till he goes find this stuff. Take your safety off. Oh, I wasn't ready.
Perhaps this was a better lesson for my son Jackson. You don't always get to kill a bird opening weekend. Maybe the lesson of persistence, hard work, and effort is one that will last way longer than instant gratification. All the glory goes to God for this kill. I'm so thankful that my son loves the outdoors as much as I do, especially turkey hunting. There's a lot of life lessons and memories being made in the woods together, and I cherish this time with him. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will continue this journey with us as we hunt Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Montana, and multiple other states this spring for turkey. Please like and subscribe to follow our channel, and as always, thank you and God bless.